Yes.
Okay. You wait a second. It's gonna be in just a second. Optimal stable. Cool, Hazel? I wish
Hi, thanks everyone for choosing DT Inc. for all your drone related information and updates. We want to talk about a few things before we get to the video. First off, the Osmo. Love it. I've used it for one job now and I will be using it for another one tomorrow, and just for some fun videos that I put together. The Osmo is awesome. In case I didn't show this to you guys, bam, where's it at? Right there. Part 107. And 2 months, roughly 60 days it took for this thing to come in the mail, but what do you expect? It's the government, so that seems about right. Let's see what we talked about here. Osmo, part 107. So I hope everybody enjoys this video. We're going to keep it real short and just kind of discuss the Phantom 4 and how it handles in high winds. It's one I've done a while back. I've had the footage for, been meaning to do something with it, and now just seems like a good time. So stay tuned. Again, thanks for choosing DT Inc. and enjoy the video. Alright, so one of the first things you're going to want to do is click on the weather app of your choice. UAV forecast. It seems to be pretty accurate and works really well. Let's have a look here. This is wind speeds and gusts at 14 miles an hour, and if we take a look here, at 100 feet up it's 19, at 250 it's 24, so we'll say 19 to 24 at about where we'll be flying. So we got the drone up and hovering here a little bit, trees in the background just so you have an idea of the wind, and it holds pretty steady. At this time, unfortunately, my camera was damaged. There's another video on that. If we switch this into sports mode here, we can really have it. And even in this wind, if you see the trees in the background there, they're busting along. And so is the Phantom 4. Has no issues whatsoever fighting this wind. The control on it was pretty amazing actually. I didn't have any issues whatsoever. The footage though would be completely unusable, so keep that in mind. On these extremely windy days with the Phantom 4, you're not going to get very good footage. There are some tricks you could use. Put the drone up. Let's say you got a house, you can go upwind a little bit, throw it in the ADI mode, and let the wind carry the Phantom 4 down past the house.